Hello! In this video, we're diving deep into the ultimate collection of 24 keyboard shortcuts that will transform the way you navigate your computer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips will save you time and boost your productivity like never before. So, grab your keyboard and let's start. 1. Open Start menu. This key typically has the Windows logo on it. Pressing it once will bring up the Start menu, where you can access applications, settings, and various system features. You can also start typing immediately after pressing the Windows key to search for apps or files. 2. Open Search. Press on Windows key, hold it, then press S or Q. This keyboard shortcut opens the search interface, allowing you to quickly find files, applications, settings, and web results. 3. Open Notification Center. Windows plus N. This shows your notifications, quick settings, and access features like Do Not Disturb, brightness controls, and more. 4. Open Start Context menu. Use the shortcut Windows plus X. The Start Context menu provides quick access to various system options. It's a convenient way to navigate important system functions without having to search through menus or settings. 5. Minimize opened windows. This shortcut Windows plus M minimizes all open windows to the taskbar, allowing you to quickly access your desktop. 6. Open Accessibility settings. Use the shortcut Windows plus U. The accessibility settings allow you to customize your computer to meet your specific needs. You can adjust features like text size, color filters, magnifier, narrator, and keyboard options. 7. Open File Explorer. Use the shortcut Windows plus E. It is used to browse and manage files and folders on your computer. 8. Open the Action Center. For this feature, you have to press Windows plus A. It provides quick access to notifications and various settings, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and brightness controls. 9. Open the Settings app. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus I. The Settings app allows users to manage devices, adjust privacy settings, and control updates. 10. Connect to wireless displays and audio devices. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus K. This shortcut opens the Connect panel, allowing users to quickly find and connect to compatible wireless displays and audio devices. 11. Run command. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus R. It is used to quickly execute programs, open files, or access system settings by typing commands directly. 12. Open programs that are pinned to the taskbar. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus a number. Here, the corresponds to the position of the app on the taskbar, starting from 1, the leftmost icon. 13. Show the Windows desktop. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus D. This shortcut minimizes all open windows, allowing users to quickly view the desktop. 14. Open Task View. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Tab. Task View displays all open windows and virtual desktop, allowing users to quickly switch between applications or create new desktops. 15. Choose a program from the taskbar. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus T. This shortcut allows users to quickly switch between open applications, displaying a thumbnail view of all active windows. 16. Highlight the first item in the notification area. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus B. This shortcut focuses on the system tray icons, allowing users to quickly access notifications and settings related to apps running in the background. 17. Take a screenshot of the current screen. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Print Screen or Windows plus FN plus Print Screen. This captures the entire screen and copies it to the clipboard, allowing users to easily paste the screenshot into applications like Paint, facilitating quick sharing or editing of visual information. 18. Take a peek at the desktop. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus comma. This temporarily reveals the desktop while holding down the keys, allowing users to quickly glance at desktop icons or files without minimizing open windows. 19. Capture part of the screen with Snip and Sketch. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S. This opens a snipping toolbar, allowing users to select a specific area of the screen to capture. The screenshot is copied to the clipboard for easy sharing or editing. 20. Open the emoji viewer. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus comma key or Windows plus period key. This shortcut brings up a panel of emojis, symbols, and special characters, allowing users to easily insert them into text fields. 21. Display settings. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus P. This opens the projection options menu, allowing users to choose how they want to display their screen. 22. Show clipboard history. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus V. This opens a panel displaying all items recently copied to the clipboard. 23. Switch the keyboard input language. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus spacebar. This allows users to quickly toggle between different input languages and keyboard layouts that they have configured. 24. Open the game bar. Use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus G. The game bar provides quick access to gaming features like screen recording, monitoring, and chat integration. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.